If you want to quickly copy a style from one element to another, there's this little rolling paintbrush icon that says copy style. So, for example, in this slideshow that I was creating for this presentation on marketing and AI, if I want to copy the style, which includes things like the font choice, the color of this text, and paste it to this text, once I clicked to copy it, I have this paintbrush tool and I can go over whatever element that I want to copy it to and simply paste it. Let me show you that one more time on this design. So let's pick this neon sort of glow text, which includes the font as well as the effects. We're going to copy that style and we're going to go down to, let's go down to this text here. So it does copy that size. So we would have to update the size to something that fits better, but it has quickly applied the color, the font choice, the style, and the effects. In another quick example, we can take this style of the background, go here and paste it. So you can do that with all sorts of elements and aspects of an element to quickly copy a style from one to the other.